Okay, gonna do a recap here, test this out, see how it goes. It's what are we at? Wednesday night. It's Wednesday night now. I'm gonna recap the trading that I did today. January 7. So I gotta put up the markers. So yeah, this was in the morning. I got long early on. They had the what was it this morning? The unemployment or the jobs or whatever this morning at 5:15. The ADP, I think it was. And we got a decent reading off of that. Everything had been looking bullish. They didn't really even try to pull back off of the announcement. And then we got into the open. You can see the big volume bar down here at the 6:30 open. We get immediate push up. I'm in the money pretty good. And I took it up to this area up in here. We got about 300, I think it was, or was it 360 or 300? I think it's like 370. I think it was like 370 bucks I got on the first long from here up to here. 2 micros, 1 and 1, and then 2 exited. And then on the pullback, I think, what did I see? I saw, what was it? I saw this big wick had big volume, and I thought it meant that it would be a long, but the way that they rejected up here with these wicks too, I actually kind of thought that this was going to reverse further. This wick was pretty much a long signal at first, but then they basically immediately started rejecting these same levels again. So yeah, I kind of thought we were going to push back down further at this point, and I had got short in these here, and then I closed it down here because I wasn't liking this stuff down in here was holding this EMA coming up, and it wasn't even getting back down to VWAP. It was above this previous low down here, so I didn't like, I'm like, higher lows, and I don't want to try to be greedy here on a short when this was really bullish. So I wasn't real patient on this. This was a quick trade. I got out of this pretty quick here, and I think I think I only made about like 100 bucks on this or something. It wasn't much. I didn't make much on this one. I ended up with like 500 bucks today, I think, for the 2 trades. So nothing great today, and had a busy day after this stuff. I honestly was thinking about getting long in here, and I would have bought this dip in here if I had been here for this, but I missed this. And then by the time I looked at it again, it was already up in here. I didn't want to buy in here, even though this would have been a nice buy, bouncing off the EMA. Nice wick. It had decent volume on that wick. Nice basically a 3-bar reversal with decent volume on the wick there. So yeah, this would have been a decent long here, but I wasn't interested in buying up so high. I mean, you're up almost at the high of the day and everything, so I wasn't interested in getting long up here. I wanted it to pull back further again, maybe get down to this low volume down here before I tried to think about another long again. But yeah, it just took off from there. Then I missed the whole afternoon. So yeah, kind of slow day for me, but I was happy I at least got this nice about 80 point trade. I think it was 85 points. I think it was. That was a nice trade there on 2 micros. So just got to do more of that, and be patient on the good ones. And like I did here where I cut it because it wasn't looking good. These were both pretty good trades for me. reading the market pretty well and not trying to force what I want, just kind of going with what the market looks like it's doing. So hopefully have a better day tomorrow though, and gotta get back on my PAs again. I was trying to pass a couple more evals here, but I gotta get back on the PAs again, start pushing the real money. All right, so that's it for today. Hopefully have a better day tomorrow.